Hi everyone, Andrew here, and I'm your stuttering tech. And this is just a quick video on the Holy Stone HS160 Pro. Now, I've seen in the comments a lot of you are having trouble either connecting your phone to this drone, or you cannot find the app. And I've made a full review on this video last year. If you haven't seen it, go ahead and check it out. It's in 2 parts. And I'm going to show in this video how to connect your phone to the drone, where to get the app. I will link the app in the description. And yeah, and I just want to show you guys how to do it with just the phone. You don't actually need the remote. You can just control it with the phone, and you can also use the phone as a FPV and just view while using the remote to control this drone. And yeah, and this is a really good drone for kids, and I haven't actually used this in a while, especially with what's going on lately with the snowstorms here in New York. And it's been cold, and you know, we're dealing with the COVID-19, and so I've just been keeping everyone inside. And my son actually he's now into video games, and he's not really playing with the drone anymore. And I must say, compared to my other drone, this one actually holds up very good in wind, and it's very windy outside, so that's why I don't want to use this. So I'll probably do a little demonstration here in the house. But yeah, it's a very good drone, and for the price, and it's, you know, just to have a little bit of fun. And just go look at the full video, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to go about connecting this to your phone using the app. But before I do so, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And at the end, after watching this video, if you like it, a thumbs up will surely be appreciated. So now let's jump over into the video on how to control this with your phone and the app. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and connect the drone to my phone here. This is the T-Mobile Revo 5G. And I'm going to go ahead and turn the drone on right now by holding on the back button here. So it's flashing, and you'll know when it's connected when all the lights are solid. So now let me go ahead on the phone, and what you want to do is go to your Wi-Fi settings, and you have to pick the drone in the Wi-Fi settings. So I'm going to wait for it to come up. And there it is. It's the Holy Stone FPV. So I connect to it. It's going to show no internet, but that's fine because you're not getting internet from it. And yes, I forgot to show you guys. Now I'm going to go show you guys the app that you're going to need. Now, the app is called Deerc FPV. I will link it in the description, and you want to open that app. When you open the app, you have instructions, albums. So when you take pictures or videos, it will come up in the album. And you want to go to start. When you go to start, you will get a video from the camera. That's how you know it's getting signal from the drone. So now, in order to control it now, as you can see in the app, you have your camera. That's where you will take a picture. You have your that's the record video. You have the album again, and then you have over here for RV. So I guess you could put this into, VR, not RV. Sorry for that. You can put this into a VR goggles and use it as an FPV like that. And here is to rotate the camera. Well, not the camera on the drone itself. The camera on the drone itself does not rotate. It doesn't have no remote control function. So this is just to flip the image upside down. So you make a 180 turn on the image, and then this is the power. And when you power it up, of course, you see the lights are solid now, because now you're telling the app that you want to use it as the phone to control the drone. So I'm gonna just power it on. I'm not gonna fly it. So if I just press the if I just press the button here, this button here, it should turn on automatically. As you can see there, as you can hear all that noise, it's actually on. And now I'm going to go ahead and stop that. Now I'm going to stop it by just pressing power. And it should stop, and now it's back into the remote mode. Now let's put it back on. So now I think the other way of stopping it would be to hold on down and up, but I didn't want to try it because I didn't want to, being that I haven't used this in so long, I don't want it to actually take off, maybe hit me in the face, or you know. So that's the purpose, reason why I didn't actually go ahead and stop it that way. But yeah, and then you have your gestures, and you know, there's a lot in the app, but I'm not, I don't really use the app to control it. And it also has gyro control, where you can control it with the motion of the phone with the gyro in the phone. Now I'm going to go ahead and disconnect, and now I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it with using the controller. I have the control right here. Controller's right here. Been a while, it's dusty right now. High trouble? My cat trouble. So the antennas on the controller is used as a stand to hold your phone, as well as the holder right here. So this is a pretty big phone. So before I click it into here, I'm going to go ahead and connect the controller to the phone first. To the drone. So I'm going to go ahead and power the drone back on. Oh, sorry, you got to hold it till it starts flashing. All right, and then I'm going to power on the controller. So the controller is flashing. Then I think I want to. So there you go. So you want to pull down on the left stick and up on the right stick, and that's how it connects. So now that it's connected, you go back to your phone and you go back into your Wi-Fi, and of course you want to connect it back to the drone. It will come up with an FPV. It will come up with the signal. Then you want to open the app, Deerc RC, and now you want to mount it onto your phone, onto the controller. Oh, I accidentally turned my screen off. Yes, it's not easy to do this. Okay, so gotta go back and do it again. Okay, and now you want to go start. As I start the app, I am getting a signal. So now, make sure I don't press the power button here. Or start the drone off accidentally. Yes. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Basically, you get the idea. With the case on, it's pretty big, and my phone is pretty big, and it's causing a lot of it's not gonna stay in here. I would have to remove the case first, because this is a thick case to protect this phone. But yes, as you can see, I have a signal. I don't know if you guys can see my cat moving in there. She's getting very curious as I move the drone here. As you can see, there she is on the FPV. There she is right there. High trouble. Don't be scared. High trouble. I'm not gonna turn it on, mama. I am not gonna turn it on. I am not gonna turn it on. But that's how you will be able to use your phone in conjunction with the controller to control this drone right here. And yeah, that's basically how it's done. And yeah, that's it for this quick demonstration of how to connect the phone to the drone and using the app. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. As I mentioned before, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing, and check the links in the description down below. And again, see you guys in the next video. I'm Drew, your Stuttering Tech. Peace out.